Hi to everyone, this is Sai Viswateja. Welcome to our Technical Sandesh. Today I will teach you how to change cover and profile pic on YouTube. When a user comes to your channel and doesn't see your profile picture and channel picture, a question mark will appear in mind. Some users will not be sure if the channel belongs to you, and you need to convince them that you manage it, so you must welcome them the right way. In that case, you may want to learn how to change the cover and profile picture on YouTube. Profile and channel images are of great importance, both in this aspect and in terms of visual diversity. To increase the number of subscribers in your YouTube account and to increase your engagement rate, the most important thing you need to do is to set the profile picture and channel cover photo. How to set your channel cover or profile picture to get the most aesthetically pleasing view on your YouTube channel? You can create a YouTube profile picture and YouTube cover photo with the information you'll grasp on this video. Let's take a closer look at how you can create and change your YouTube profile images and YouTube cover photos. Let's start the process by clicking on the channel name in the upper right menu on YouTube's homepage. From the opened Actions menu, we click My Channel. We accessed our YouTube channel. The next step is to click the Customize Channel button. From the page that opens, click the Add Channel Image button. We have reached the section where we can adjust the channel image and channel cover image. You can choose to change your profile image or channel cover picture and proceed. However, the main thing you should know is that this is the place for both of these visuals. Click on the Select a Photo from your device, computer button. To set a YouTube cover or profile photo, we find the existing picture on our device and click the Open button. The cover photo we uploaded will be visible on computers, TVs, and mobile devices. If everything is okay, click on the Select button. You may start making small adjustments on this screen. To do so, you can start by clicking on the Set Crop button. Congrats! You have successfully customized your YouTube images.
Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel again. Today I am going to make a new new video. So please whatever. Please I want to reach 1 million likes. So please Okay, thank you.